Do you want to hypnotize people? Do you want to learn how to hypnotize people in 30 seconds or less? That's right, my friend. You can hypnotize people in 30 seconds or less if you know how to do it. Now, my friend, you might have watched a lot of videos on YouTube, including my videos, which is more than 2,000 there. And you might have watched me doing instantly hypnotize people and make them do a lot of hypnotic phenomena. You must be wondering how it is done. And you have a strong desire to learn it. Am I right, my friend? That's why you are here in this video. Now listen to my friend carefully. You all can learn. Anybody can learn hypnosis only if they learn how to do it correctly and they learn from the right person and they understand fully how to do it. And if you know everything properly, you can learn how to do it easily. So my friend, my name is Pradeep Aggarwal. I started learning hypnosis in 1972, started teaching hypnosis in 1977 professionally. And I've traveled all over the world, taught people all over the world hypnosis, and more than 10 lakhs people have learned hypnosis from me in India and abroad. Now, my friend, hypnosis is a very simple method which anybody can learn and do it. You need to know how to do it. So, my friend, I'm conducting a 2-day workshop in Hyderabad in my office premises in Lakdiga Pul. 2 days, it's almost around 14 to 15 hours. You'll be learning there by doing it. Listen to my friend, you're learning by doing it, not a theory class. Now you will learn step by step. How you will learn it? Because I make things very, very simple to understand and learn. So I'll give you a demo, explain to you, and then you will practicing on each other and master it. At the end of the 2-day workshop, you can go anywhere, you can hypnotize people instantly and do hypnotic phenomena on them and become popular, make more money. You know, how you can make money? Simple thing, my friend. You can make money by giving a stage shows, giving a talk. You can even help people to come out of their problem and make money. I do a lot of therapy and make money out of that also. Now, my friend, in 2-day workshop, what you are going to learn? Listen carefully, my friend. First of all, you need to learn a basic theory, why it works and how it works. And then you will learn a powerful imagination games to make the person ready for hypnosis. Yes, my friend, this is what you don't see in the YouTube videos. So you will learn how to do it so that you can learn how to develop a rapport with the person so that they listen to you, and then you learn how to find out the person is ready for hypnotize or not. Yes, my friend, we call, compliance test, which you learn by doing it in the workshop. And then after doing this imagination game with the eyes closed imagination game first, and then you will learn eye-open imagination game. That's right, my friend. To hypnotize anybody, they don't need to close their eyes. People go into hypnosis number of time in and out. And then you will learn rapid induction. Rapid induction means 2 to 3 minutes inductions. Then instant induction means instantly hypnotize people. And then you will learn a powerful deepening method. You will learn how to bring the person out of hypnosis. And then you are going to learn some advanced methods. This imagination games and rapid inductions, you know how many you are going to learn? Imagination game more than 19, rapid induction 12, instant induction 7. Then you will learn how to bring the person out. And then you will learn some advanced method called oriental pressure point method, non-verbal hypnosis, waking hypnosis. Then a new model which nobody teaches in the world called hypnotic AI model. Yes, my friend, it is an eye-open demonstration you can do anywhere. With the eye open, you can make the hand stuck, leg stuck, hand stuck to the wall, name amnesia, stiff body and anything, lot of things you can do. And then you will learn how to do hypnotic anesthesia, name amnesia, and you will learn some specific, hypnotic phenomena where you can hypnotize people and give some demos of the power of hypnosis. Even like the number amnesia, name amnesia, you might have seen my videos where I'm doing it all the time. Then you learn a simple method of doing group hypnosis. And then as a bonus, I'm going to teach you a technique called content-free therapy. Wonderful script which you will learn to do in the workshops. You can heal people without they telling you their problem. So you can heal them and charge them. Don't do free therapy, my friend. I work with the top level sportsmen in the world here and they become very successful. I use indirect hypnosis. That's my friend. It's called indirect hypnosis. You can use without knowing the problem, the person can get healed completely. And now, my friend, this is a 2-day workshop here in Hyderabad in my office in Lakdigapur, where I can take 30 to 40 people in a group, and it's a nice hall we have created. Now, previously we used to conduct this workshop in a hotel, 2 full day workshop in a hotel. This used to cost me a lot of money. And who was paying that money? You people only were paying that money which you are costing me in the hotel. So now as we are doing in our office, there is a very special rate. Yes, my friend, for the very first time. Now this workshop, we are going to get a lot of bonuses worth 50,000 rupees. Yes, my friend, the bonuses are 50,000 rupees, and which you get like a downloadable product which is very useful for you after the workshop is over. And now, this fees is normally for this workshop when I conduct in a hotel, it is normally 40,000, but normally we sell it for 20,000 plus GST. It's come to 23,600. Now, my friend, as we spend a lot of money in the hotel, so this workshop in my office. Now there is a very special, the first time, as we are doing this workshop first time in our office in Lakdi Ka Pul. It's an air conditioned hall, everything is fantastic, and you know, you really enjoy and talk. And the advantage of this is in my office is there is a no time limit. Now in the hotel, before 6 o'clock, these people are waiting for you to throw you out. Am I right? You might have seen that. Now it is my office, my personal place. Spend time with me, and being time with me, you have a personal connection with me. So this feast is the only first time we are announcing it, because the first time we are doing this 2-day workshop in our office. So there is a very special rate for the first time. Now my friend, my question is, if you really want to learn hypnosis, really want to master hypnosis, so you should learn from the master. There are many people in India started teaching hypnosis, they don't know what hypnosis is. They talk something nonsense about hypnosis, they have no idea about what hypnosis is. They just learn something from my courses, or they learn from some YouTube started teaching hypnosis, and they actually don't know how to do it also. I keep watching videos on YouTube, instant hypnosis, they take 5 minutes or 10 minutes to do it. Instant means instant, my friend, am I right? So if you really want to learn it, this is the course for you, and I'm not going to take many people in the workshop. So if you are watching my video, my friend, right now, if you really want to become a master hypnotist, you want to hypnotize people, and you want to really master this skill for fun, profit and fame, this is the workshop for you, my friend. Go to the link below. If the spot is available, register right now. And my friend, one more bonus you get here, because this is mostly we are promoting in our city in Hyderabad. So once you join the workshop, you have a lifetime connection with me. You can meet me. We can do a monthly once meeting together, so that we can have more advanced thing and have fun, and you can meet like-minded people, and we create a group also. So in the group there will be all the questions will be answered in the future. So my friend, if you really want to learn hypnosis, this is the place for you. Click on the link below right now and register right now. Now remember one more thing, this workshop will be in English. So some people think this is a Hindi workshop. That is why everything is in English, and you get a handout, you get a certificate, which you can use the certificate when you are doing things. So lot of things are there. We have lot of fun doing the workshop. Now remember one thing, if you really want to learn it, remember you need to practice on each other. Don't come to watch me. I have lot of video, 2,000 videos on YouTube. So you come here to practice and master. If that is your goal, register right now, and after 2-day workshop, you'll become a master hypnotist. In fact, on the day 1, when you go back, well, it will be too late in the night, but next day before you come at 2 o'clock, you can have fun with your family friends, your family members, doing this hypnotic stunt on them. So my friend, one more thing I told you, something very special I'm going to teach you in this workshop. You know what? Pseudo hypnosis. What does it mean, pseudo hypnosis? Means it looks like hypnosis but not hypnosis. Sometimes we need to know this technique, so that sometimes we get into the wrong place. You can use this technique to impress people. Now it's called pseudo hypnosis, look like hypnosis but not hypnosis. So that is the advanced specific thing as a bonus for the first time here in this workshop. I'm going to give it to you, and we'll have a lot of fun. Thank you very much, and see you soon.